It's time for your primetime forecast from Dr. Don's weather page in the Shepherd's Weather Center. Now, here's Dr. Don.
Happy Monday afternoon to you, East Alabama and West Georgia. Dr. Don with you for your primetime forecast for Tuesday, November 10, 2020 in the Shepherd's Weather Center. Please go over to paypal.me/Dr. Don WX to support Dr. Don's weather page. Keeping an eye on Ada down in the Florida Straits pretty much at this hour. Ada is still a tropical storm with top sustained winds of 60 miles per hour, currently moving off to the southwest at around 14 miles per hour. And we have just been back and forth and all over the place with this one. Up until this morning, we thought we would see the storm go hurricane status. Now it looks like we may stay at tropical storm status. And that's quite all right. But now the storm is moving off to the west-southwest and is going to come awfully close to the northwest tip of Cuba and maybe hang out there for a minute or two and then turn back up to the north. And with a cold front coming in from the northwest, eventually by Thursday, we think that that's going to pick the storm up and shove it back up into the Big Bend area of Florida, maybe back up across Jacksonville or extreme southeastern Georgia before emerging back out into the Atlantic. But as you can see with the spaghetti models, prime definition of why they're called spaghetti models, this is a mess. There still remains all kind of uncertainty and possibilities on the exact future track of Ada. So we are going to have to watch this, even though the National Hurricane Center now taking that middle-of-the-road approach, putting it up there in the Big Bend area of Florida. You see that there are multiple models that put it back out into the central Gulf of Mexico. Some bring it on shore over there in Louisiana, others up across northwest Florida. There are a few models that carry it on down to the southwest and back toward the Yucatan Peninsula, where all this mess started about a week ago. So there remains all kind of possibilities, though we think the Hurricane Center has a pretty good handle on this. Looks like it is going to head toward the Big Bend area of Florida, which will mean some rain across East Alabama and West Georgia, especially with a cold front coming in, but we're not looking at tropical type weather. Here's the Storm Prediction Center convective outlook for Tuesday. Just general scattered thunderstorms across Alabama and Georgia. And then we look at Wednesday, pretty much the same for Alabama and Georgia, just general scattered afternoon type thunderstorms. Here's your national map in motion. And here comes that cold front I was telling you about. Low pressure center coming there across Nebraska and into portions of Louisiana. With a trailing cold front coming into portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, and Alabama by Tuesday night into Wednesday. And that is going to pick up what remains of Ada and push Ada back up into the Big Bend area of the state of Florida. But maybe some pretty respectable rainfall amounts, especially across North Georgia, up into the North Georgia mountains, across Alabama. It's going to be a wet day or two. Here's your GOES East Southern Mississippi Valley satellite shot. This is valid as of about 11:30 on your Monday, and you can see those clouds streaming in from the east and the southeast back across East Alabama and West Georgia. Here's your satellite. Here is your precipitation that is expected across East Alabama and West Georgia over the next several days. And you can see up there in northeast Georgia, we may be knocking on the door of about 4 inches of rain before all is said and done with the combination of the cold front and what's left of this tropical storm down in the Gulf of Mexico. Across East Alabama and West Georgia, probably on the order of 1 inch to 1.5 inches will be common across the area, though some localized locations could see a little more than that. Maybe up to 2 inches of rain would be possible. I got to tell you, the foliage is hanging in there pretty good. We still have great color across North Georgia, though I thought last weekend might wind things up. We still have a lot of color out there, so I think we've got another weekend in store for you leaf lookers who want to come up and take a look at the gorgeous colors across North Georgia and Tennessee. Come on up. I think there'll be plenty left for you by this weekend. Current temperatures for your Tuesday, your afternoon highs for Tuesday. Don't pay attention to that 62 in Roanoke. That's an erroneous number. How about 74 in Roanoke, Wadley, 73 in Wedowee. 72 will be your afternoon high on Tuesday up in Woodland. We'll do 72 in Carrollton. Weguffca goes to 76, and Auburn tops out at 76 on Tuesday afternoon as well. Here's your Southern Union State Community College live Doppler HD radar, and you can see those showers and thunderstorms there across southern Florida. That's associated with Ada. Also up into central Florida as well, there to a point just south of Jacksonville. And we've got some showers and thunderstorms across South Georgia also on your Monday afternoon. Southern Union State Community College Futurecast radar. We start this at midnight tonight, and we run through 1 a.m. Wednesday morning. Pretty good thunderstorms firing up there across South Georgia, migrating over toward East Alabama. Everything working backwards here. Also some big storms over in East Georgia, moving up into Northeast Georgia. A few thunderstorms there up in Northwest Georgia. And you can see down there on the very bottom of the screen the beginning of what we will call Ada, moving in on the Futurecast radar, moving up there into the central Gulf of Mexico. Current conditions: 72 degrees currently. The wind is out of the east-southeast at 7 miles per hour, gusting to 9 miles per hour. Our dew point is 68.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is 85%. We have had no measurable precipitation in the past 24 hours. The forecast for this afternoon will remain mostly cloudy, though a peek at the sun from time to time is possible. High temperature on Monday afternoon, 73. East wind at 5 to 10, gusting to near 20 miles per hour. Sunrise on Tuesday morning at 6:09 a.m., and the sun sets at 4:43 p.m. So here's your 6-day forecast from the Shepherd's Weather Center on Dr. Don's weather page. For Tuesday, a 40% chance of a shower, primarily in the afternoon. 74 will be your high, a 40% chance of rain Tuesday night. 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. A few of those storms could be on the heavy side, but we don't expect anything severe. And this will be primarily associated with a cold front coming down from the northwest. 77 your Wednesday afternoon high. 60% chance of rain on Wednesday night up until around midnight. Then we'll drop down to about a 30% chance all the way through mid-morning on Thursday, with a few showers hanging around. 75. On Friday, right now, we think we go back to mostly sunny skies. A couple of the models are trying to hang a few showers and thunder showers around on Friday. But we're going to be optimistic and stay with sunny for the time being. That may change, though. 73 will be your high on Friday. And then some more showers on Saturday and Sunday of the 20 to 30% variety. Maybe a peek at the sun from time to time as well. Daytime high on Saturday, 69, and 72 out there on Sunday. The extended forecast starting on November the 16th, a few showers and 74. On the 17th, partly cloudy, 74, 75, with a few clouds hanging around out there on the 18th. Maybe some afternoon rain on the 19th, partly cloudy on the 20th, and back to sunshine out there on the 21st with a daytime high of 75. Check us out at DrDonWX.com. Don't forget to go to the God's Country page and download the Mixler app, where you can listen to God's Country anywhere in the whole wide world, as long as you have internet access. Also, at the top of this video, there are multiple links there. We ask you to click on each one of them. They all take you to a different place to do a special different thing. But one of them is the YouTube link. Click on Dr. Don's weather page, YouTube. Go over to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to click on that little notification bell so that when we go live for severe weather, you're guaranteed to get a push notification. Our partners include Joey Knight at Anchor Roofing, 706-326-2438. Judy Aubrey at Shepherd's Fine Jewelry and Gifts in downtown Roanoke, 334-863-2812. Neil Johnson, Superior Heating and Air Conditioning, 334-646-0331. Mr. Brandon Brown at BR Construction, 334-744-1507. Southern Union State Community College, Wadley, Opelika, and Valley. Becky Rainwater at RE/MAX Lakefront, 256-610-1390. by Auction 431 South. Joey Knight at 256-252-8932. Made in the South, a division of Southeast Soft Wash. 334-863-0084. Mark Mitchell at Bama Diesel Repair in Woodland. 256-201-3685. Jimmy Stevens of Jimmy Stevens Construction. 256-610-1364. And Jamie Dukas, your Alpha Insurance Agent. 256-452-5131. Please head on over to paypal.me/Dr. Don WX to support Dr. Don's weather page. We appreciate anything you can possibly do to help us out. Keeps us going so that we can bring you severe weather information for East Alabama and West Georgia. Good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. We'll see you back in here tomorrow. We'll fine-tune that Wednesday forecast, which right now looks to be pretty wet across East Alabama and West Georgia. Enjoy your Monday from Dr. Don's weather page.